Hey, it's Quail Mama. I'm here in the coop and I am trying to hook us up a way to heat water for the little birds. I'm going to be working out of town and unable to get back for lunch this next week. So it's supposed to be like a high of 16 several days. So I want to make sure these guys have water because I'll be leaving in the dark and coming home in the dark, and these guys will be asleep and water will be frozen before they get a chance to get at it. So here I am trying to rig some way. This is a heated pet dish for dogs. I also got a heated base out there, which would probably be the better fit, but I'm looking at costs too. So I think this could work. It won't work for baby birds, but I think these birds will be able to handle the water just fine. So anyway, I'm going to hook it up and see how it works. Thanks for watching, everybody.